to survive. And welcome to another Ballroom Unboxing. I'm your host, the Bearded Wonder, Gary! So, people, we have Survive Space Attack. As I'm sure you're all familiar with the Survive Atlantis, this is the space version of the popular board game. So now let's see what's in the box. Ooh baby. A slicey slice. Actually, it's a really nice box. I like it. I like it. That's what I think of you, plastic. Now, so we'll see what's in the box. Very nice. Ooh. The rules. Very nice. Explains all the tiles at the back. 2-player games. Very nice. Yeah. Ooh. Fighters and laser turrets. Awesome. Right, that's the rules. And this must be the player board. Wow, that looks class. Ooh, it's big. Now that is cool. Really good quality. I like it. Very, very nice. So it has your 3 areas in which you're to escape from. The mothership goes in here. And there's a couple of more around the board as well, and that's where you kind of place all your tiles in around here. That's really cool. And then we have the tiles, which make up the space station. Now, can you see that there? Ooh, very nice. Very nice quality pieces, I must say. I really do like them. So now these must be the space pods and the space pods. So you fit about 3 little, I don't know, would you call them meeples in this as well? Meeples into that. That's really cool. And then you have your spaceships. Only 1 meeple in this at a time. And these are, let me consult the rules for just one moment. These would be the spawn. They don't really look like spawn, do they? They look really weird, like a black Zoidberg. That's kind of cool. That's then. And then you have the Spaceman meeples, which there are quite a few. Oh, they're really cool. They're good quality too. Oh, they're cool. They have like little space helmets. They're awesome. Wow. Cool. So you have them in yellow, green, and you have them in red and blue as well. That's really cool. Oh, find out what's in these as well. So these should be the warriors, the queen, and the turret thingies. So they're the turrets. Oops. They're pretty cool, aren't they? So I think they go actually kind of like on these when you're on the island. And I think they shoot at all the kind of monsters. So this is kind of the example of what the queen is. And they are the warriors. So that was the unboxing of Survive, Space Attack, and I hope you liked it.